Hello, and welcome to the Tech Guild channel. In this video, we'll introduce you to the world of blockchain technology in a simple and easy to understand way. Our goal is to help you understand what blockchain is, how it works, and why it matters. We're going to break down the complex and often confusing terminology into simple terms and give you real-world examples of how blockchain is being used today. So, whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just looking to learn more about this exciting and rapidly growing field, this video is for you. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the world of blockchain with Blockchain Simplified, a beginner's guide to understanding blockchain. Relevance of blockchain. Blockchain technology is important and relevant today because it has the potential to fundamentally change the way we store, transfer, and manage data and assets. By utilizing a decentralized, secure, and transparent ledger system, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries and allows for more secure and efficient transactions. In addition, it provides greater transparency, accountability, and trust in the management of information and assets. This has implications across a wide range of industries, including finance, supply chain, healthcare, and even online identity. As our reliance on technology and the internet continues to grow, the importance and relevance of blockchain technology are only set to increase in the coming years. The main points that will be covered in the video, Blockchain Simplified, a beginner's guide to understanding blockchain, are: what is blockchain? A clear definition of blockchain and its key features, including decentralization, immutability, and transparency. How blockchain works. An explanation of how blockchain technology operates, using simple analogies and examples to make it easy to understand. Real-world applications of blockchain. An overview of how blockchain is being used today in various industries, including finance, supply chain, and healthcare. The benefits and limitations of blockchain. An examination of the potential benefits of blockchain technology, as well as the limitations and challenges that need to be addressed. How to get involved. An overview of the different ways someone can get involved in the blockchain space, including mining, trading, and programming. Define blockchain and its key features. Blockchain is a digital ledger technology that enables secure and transparent record-keeping of transactions and assets. It is a decentralized system, meaning that there is no central authority controlling the network. Instead, all participants in the network maintain a copy of the ledger and must agree on its contents. The key features of blockchain include: decentralization. As mentioned, blockchain operates on a decentralized network, where all participants have equal authority and responsibility. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and increases security, trust, and efficiency. Immutability. Once a transaction has been recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This provides a secure and tamper-proof record of all transactions and assets on the network. Transparency. All transactions and data on the blockchain are visible to all participants, providing a high degree of transparency and accountability. This makes it easier to track the movement of assets and detect fraudulent activity. These three features, decentralization, immutability, and transparency, are what make blockchain technology so innovative and valuable. They allow for secure and efficient transactions and record-keeping without the need for intermediaries and provide greater trust and accountability in the management of information and assets. Analogies and examples to explain blockchain. To help explain how blockchain works, here are some simple analogies and examples. Analogy 1. Imagine a large shared ledger that is stored on multiple computers all around the world. This ledger is like a giant virtual notebook that everyone can access and add to, but no one can erase or alter previous entries. Example 1. A person wants to send money to a friend. They initiate a transaction on the blockchain network, which is verified by multiple participants, known as nodes. Once the transaction is verified and approved, it is added to the shared ledger and recorded permanently. The friend now has access to the funds and can use them however they like. Analogy 2. Another analogy is to think of the blockchain as a secure and public ledger of transactions that is maintained by a network of volunteers, similar to Wikipedia being maintained by its community of volunteers. Example 2. A company wants to track the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the retailer. They use a blockchain-based supply chain management system, where each stage of the journey is recorded and verified by multiple participants. The end result is a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof record of the goods journey, providing greater trust and accountability in the supply chain. By using these analogies and examples, we can start to understand how blockchain operates and how it can be used to secure and manage information and assets in a decentralized, transparent, and secure manner. Blockchain versus traditional databases. Blockchain and traditional databases are similar in that they both store and manage data. However, there are several key differences that set blockchain apart. Decentralization. Unlike traditional databases, which are controlled by a central authority, blockchain operates on a decentralized network, where all participants have equal authority and responsibility. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and increases security, trust, and efficiency. Immutability. Once a transaction has been recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This provides a secure and tamper-proof record of all transactions and assets on the network, unlike traditional databases where data can be altered or deleted by a central authority. Transparency. All transactions and data on the blockchain are visible to all participants, providing a high degree of transparency and accountability. This makes it easier to track the movement of assets and detect fraudulent activity, in contrast to traditional databases, where data is often hidden or controlled by a central authority. Consensus. In a blockchain network, participants must reach a consensus on the contents of the ledger before a transaction is approved and recorded. This helps ensure the integrity and accuracy of the data, unlike traditional databases where a central authority has complete control over the data. These differences demonstrate how blockchain is a more secure, transparent, and efficient way of managing data and assets compared to traditional databases. As the world becomes more reliant on technology and the internet, the use of blockchain and other decentralized technologies is set to increase in the coming years. Blockchain utilization across industries. Here are some case studies of how blockchain technology is being used today in various industries. Finance. Blockchain is being used to revolutionize the way financial transactions are conducted, with numerous blockchain-based financial platforms now available for trading and exchanging cryptocurrencies, as well as for sending and receiving cross-border payments. Supply chain management. Companies are using blockchain to create more secure and transparent supply chain management systems. This includes tracking the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the retailer, and providing greater trust and accountability in the supply chain. Healthcare. The healthcare industry is using blockchain to securely store and manage medical records, as well as to track the movement of pharmaceuticals through the supply chain, reducing the risk of counterfeiting and increasing patient safety. Gaming. The gaming industry is using blockchain to create more secure and transparent gaming platforms, as well as to enable the buying, selling, and trading of in-game items and currency. Government. Governments around the world are exploring the use of blockchain to create secure and transparent voting systems, as well as to improve the management of land registries, tax records, and other government-held information. Potential future. The potential future uses of blockchain technology are vast and varied, and as the technology continues to evolve, new applications and uses are being discovered. Here are a few examples of the potential future uses of blockchain. Decentralized finance, DeFi. The use of blockchain in the financial sector is set to grow, with decentralized finance, DeFi platforms providing new and innovative financial services and products to consumers. Smart contracts. Blockchain-based smart contracts have the potential to automate a range of business processes, from supply chain management to insurance claims processing, reducing the need for intermediaries and improving efficiency. Identity management. Blockchain technology has the potential to create secure and decentralized identity management systems, allowing individuals to control and manage their personal data in a more secure and transparent manner. Internet of Things, IoT. As the Internet of Things, IoT, continues to grow, blockchain technology has the potential to provide a secure and transparent method of managing and tracking the flow of data and assets between IoT devices. Energy management. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the way energy is managed by creating decentralized and transparent energy management systems that allow individuals and businesses to trade and exchange energy in a more efficient and secure manner. These are just a few examples of the potential future uses of blockchain technology, and as the technology continues to mature and evolve, new use cases and applications will emerge. The potential for blockchain to create more secure, efficient, and transparent systems is vast, and the future of blockchain technology is exciting and full of possibilities. Benefits and limitations. Benefits of blockchain technology. Decentralization. Blockchain technology is decentralized, meaning that there is no central authority or intermediaries involved in the management and maintenance of the network. This leads to greater security and reduces the risk of a single point of failure. Immutability. The information stored on a blockchain network is permanent and cannot be altered or deleted, making it ideal for storing sensitive information such as financial transactions and medical records. Transparency. The transparency of blockchain technology is a key advantage, as all transactions are recorded on a public ledger that is available for all participants to view. This leads to greater trust and accountability, as well as improved transparency in supply chain management. Security. Blockchain technology is highly secure, as it uses cryptographic algorithms to protect the integrity of the data stored on the network. This makes it ideal for storing sensitive information and for conducting secure financial transactions. Efficiency. Blockchain technology has the potential to streamline a range of business processes, from supply chain management to insurance claims processing, reducing the need for intermediaries and improving efficiency. Limitations of blockchain technology. Scalability. Currently, the scalability of blockchain technology is limited, as the number of transactions that can be processed by the network is limited. This is a major challenge for the widespread adoption of blockchain technology, and solutions to improve scalability are actively being researched. Regulation. The regulatory environment surrounding blockchain technology is still evolving, and there is currently a lack of clear and consistent regulations in place. This creates uncertainty for businesses and individuals looking to use blockchain technology and can be a barrier to its adoption. Adoption. Despite its potential, the adoption of blockchain technology is still in its early stages, and it will take time for it to become widely adopted and integrated into various industries. Complexity. The technical complexity of blockchain technology can be a barrier to its adoption, especially for individuals and businesses who may not have the technical expertise to implement and manage blockchain solutions. Different ways to get involved with blockchain. Mining. Blockchain networks, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, use a consensus mechanism known as proof of work, POW, where miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and create new blocks. By participating in mining, individuals can earn rewards for their contributions to the network and help to secure the network. Trading. Blockchain-based cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, can be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, allowing individuals to buy and sell these digital assets. This can be a good way for individuals to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency market and potentially benefit from price movements. Programming. The development of decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts on blockchain networks is a growing area of development, and there is a high demand for skilled developers who are able to build and maintain these applications. Investment. Investing in blockchain-based companies and projects, either through traditional equity investment or through investment in cryptocurrencies, can be a way for individuals to gain exposure to the blockchain space and potentially benefit from its growth. Community involvement. Participating in the blockchain community, either by attending events, joining online forums, or contributing to open-source projects, can be a great way to learn more about blockchain technology and to meet other individuals with similar interests. Resources to learn more about blockchain. For those who want to learn more about blockchain technology, there are many resources available online, including online courses and tutorials. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and edX offer online courses and tutorials on blockchain technology and its applications, allowing individuals to learn at their own pace. Books. There are many books available that cover blockchain technology, including both technical and non-technical titles. Some popular titles include Blockchain Basics by Daniel Drescher and Mastering Blockchain by Imran Bashir. Online forums and communities. Websites like Reddit, Medium, and Quora have active communities of individuals who are interested in blockchain technology and can provide a wealth of information and resources for those who want to learn more. Conferences and events. Attending conferences and events dedicated to blockchain technology can be a great way to learn from experts in the field, network with other individuals, and stay up to date with the latest developments. Open source projects. Contributing to open source blockchain projects, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Hyperledger, can be a great way to gain hands-on experience with the technology and learn more about how it works. These are just a few examples of the many resources available for those who want to learn more about blockchain technology. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to transform many industries and aspects of our daily lives, from financial services and supply chain management to digital identity and voting systems. Its key features, including decentralization, immutability, and transparency, make it a powerful tool for creating secure and trustworthy systems that can operate without the need for intermediaries. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, there are many opportunities to get involved in the blockchain space and contribute to its growth and development. Whether you are interested in mining, trading, programming, or simply learning more about blockchain technology, there are many resources available to help you achieve your goals. We hope that this video has provided a clear and concise introduction to the world of blockchain technology and has inspired you to learn more about this exciting and rapidly growing field. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on technology advancements and discussions. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like our other videos on related topics. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to continuing to bring you more great content from the Tech Guild channel.